If you're doing any sort of performance driving with your car, whether that be something like autocross, HPDE, drifting, you name it, upgrading your car's cooling is something that often gets overlooked, but something that you should definitely keep in mind when modifying your car. We just recently added a bunch of Mishimoto products to the Martini Works website, and today we're going to be taking a look at the upgraded radiator option for the Scion FRS and Subaru BRZ. Now, if you've never looked into upgrading your car's cooling before, you might be asking what exactly is the purpose of upgrading your radiator. Well, upgrading a radiator is a great way to have peace of mind that everything's going to stay nice and cool when you're pushing your car to the limits. And things like aftermarket radiators, like this Mishimoto one right here, is typically going to have a thicker core to them, which allows for better heat dissipation, which helps your engine temps stay where they need to be, especially when you're really getting on it. Now, essentially, more surface area with the thicker core, and sometimes even a bigger size to the radiator in general, is going to have more material that is going to heat up, and essentially is going to increase the capacity to keep things cooler when it comes to air rushing through it. Essentially, you're creating more of a surface area to heat up, but also giving an increase in the surface area to cool down. Now, when it comes to this one specifically, the upgrade for the Scion FRS and Subaru BRZ, this is an increase in size over the stock radiator. Essentially, core size, you're looking at almost double over the stock core. This is a single pass, all aluminum radiator that features a 1.37-inch core. And something like this is going to be a drop-in replacement. Comes with any of the hardware that you're going to need to swap out your OEM radiator. No modifications are going to be needed to do it. And essentially, like I said, you're gonna take the old one out, drop this one in, and you're gonna be good to go. Making it super easy if you're looking to upgrade your stock one, or if you just want to switch it out. Maybe all the fins on your OEM one are starting to get all chewed up or damaged or something like that. This is a really easy drop-in replacement. And on top of that, Mishimoto has a lifetime warranty that comes with their radiators that you can take advantage of too. Now, when should you be looking to upgrade your radiator? When is it worth it? When should you be swapping out that old crusty one? Well, here at Martini Works, we've actually upgraded a few of our radiators on our cars, most notably the R34 GTT. It's an incredibly fun car to drive on the track. However, we were constantly running into issues with the stock radiator that as soon as those temps would really start to come up, they wouldn't come back down for how hard we were pushing the car. And the radiator that came with the car just wasn't enough. It wasn't built to handle that, unfortunately. So with the upgraded radiator that we threw in, we were able to actually stay out on the track longer without having to have it cool down, and of course, not having fun with it. And kind of like I mentioned before, with some of our favorite cars getting older, those OEM and stock radiators need to be replaced over time. Like I said, they start to break down. They might start to crack. The fins get all bent up, so they're not as efficient as they once were. And that obviously is a great excuse to upgrade to something like a Mishimoto radiator if you're looking to do so. So, like I mentioned before, these are now available over at martiniworks.com along with a bunch of other Mishimoto stuff. We're constantly adding stuff to the website all the time. But if you need help picking something out or have any questions on anything, feel free to shoot us a message, comment down below. We'll get back to you and help you out. So check out Mishimoto, now available over at Martini Works. In the meantime, we'll see you later.